My name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and today is the Scrubby Sunday video. And it's also today's the start of our very busy Sundays too, because now we're in September. The school year started a while, and all the stuff at our church is starting up today. I'm in the church choir, so we usually break for the summer, and today's the first Sunday that the choir will sing, and Sunday school starts up today. They had broke over the summer, so I have to go up this morning and corral the grandkids to take them to Sunday school. So Sunday morning, Sundays are going to be busy. Early morning now is the time that I have to film this. So yeah, it's early morning. If you can hear crickets in the background, I'm sorry, but regardless, yeah, very, very busy morning this morning. So, but we're here for Scrubby Sunday. So let's get started on Scrubby Sunday. It's one thing I forgot to show you last week. Well, I mean, you've seen this already, but I said I wasn't going to donate this, but that's this yarn that says to, the instruction says to hand wash. So I wasn't sure to send dishcloths because chances are they're going to be like going through the wash and the dry, actual washer and dryer, and I'd actually put this through the washer and dryer and it looks okay to me. So probably the one washcloth I got made with this. Actually, no, I have two. No, this is the second one. I have one that I was going to send. And I wasn't sure because I wasn't sure how it's going to handle through the wash, but anyway, that turned out pretty good. So next, I got more cotton yarn I bought off Amazon. So I didn't pay anything for this. So I think one of my first videos for when I was doing Christmas in July was how I earned money for Amazon. So I will leave that link in the description, and you can see how I got this for free. Maybe a little work like snapping, like taking pictures of receipts and stuff like that. So check out that video. I got some Dishy. I've never used Dishy before, so I got some. Though I'm not new to Knit Picks yarn, and I don't know why I haven't bought it for a while, because I remember Knit Picks is a good yarn. Okay, now we're opening it very. Sorry about the crinkling sounds. So yeah, I got the Dishy Multi. So this has 190 yards, and it's 100 grams. See, yeah, it's 100% cotton, obviously. It says machine wash cold and tumble dry low. Let's see, it recommends is a size 7/8 knitting needles if we're going to use it, or an I to K hook. I'll have to keep that in mind because I usually use for dishcloths. I've been using a G hook. Yeah, I would almost use a G hook for that. Let's see, it's multi. The color is Summer Jams. That's the color. That is, made in India. I usually see Turkey. It says India, so yeah, it's bright colors. It's nice. That might be more yardage than other. I know for sure it's almost twice as much as the just cotton. Hold on, from the Dollar Tree. Oh, you're right over there. Oh. Yeah, because the big twin. Yeah, this was like 100 yards. And these are. Yeah, this is only like 71 yards, but I got a bunch of these. Peaches and Cream is only Peaches and Cream. Yeah, this is like 95 yards, so this is twice as much. But then again, it's probably twice as expensive. I think this was like $8. But it might be worth it. I mean, you get twice as much yarn, and that would, it might be still a little more than, obviously Dollar Tree's $1.25. So value wise, Dollar Tree cotton might be good. It's not bad yarn, but I don't know. I will work with this later. And yeah, it feels like it's a nice cotton. Maybe I will make like a swatch with this and use it and wash it and see how the colors turn out with this, because I know sometimes after a while, if you put it through the wash and dryer, the colors fade. I know for at least peaches and cream and that. So I think if the colors stay more, I think it'd be for sure worth getting the dish sheet. It's something to think about in the future. So anyway, that is that cotton. I got three dishcloths done this week. Probably have seen this one on my work in progress video. This is a knitted one. I don't know if I would consider it a basket weave, but it was one of the patterns out of the knitting calendar that I'm using for the temperature blanket year-long year-long knitting project that I'm using out of the calendar. And this was like September 2nd or something, whatever that pattern was, and that's that one. I didn't put a border around it. It's just a knitted dishcloth. Now this next one, I was looking, my mom had this. It's a vintage pattern stitches. It's knitting and crochet, I think. Yeah, there's a whole bunch, and Tunisian crochet patterns, but I noticed that the crochet patterns are UK terms. So if I know that crochet, there's American terminology and UK terminology, and I noticed that this had UK terminology in it. Something to keep in mind. So anyway, I come across a pattern in there, and that is this dishcloth. Actually rather simple. I will probably, hopefully by next week, I will have I'll write out a pattern. I'll actually have a pattern written out, and probably a video tutorial on how I made this dishcloth. I don't know if I'll show the color changes in this one, but it's a one row repeat. It's rather easy. It's like, yeah, actually it is. It's like 2 single crochets and you skip one. And you do that to the end where you have 1 stitch left, and then you just put a single crochet in that one. You do chain 1 turn, and you skip you will skip a single crochet. And then 2 single crochets, skip 1, 2 single crochets till the end, and then you just put 1 single crochet in the end. There you go. Briefly, that is the pattern for this. I like how this turns out. So this one, yeah, because I was using what I had, some scrap I had left. And I think I kind of like that. Like in the border, see, I even changed out the border colors. So that turned out pretty cool. And I did one with just the Christmas one I had, peaches and cream. And that is that one. And I used pretty much the same stitch around the border, which is 2 single crochets, and you just skip 1 around the border. So that's the dishcloths I got done this week. I still haven't I was planning on mailing out the dishcloths I had done. I haven't done it yet, but I hope to do that this week, just to get them mailed out. So yeah, that is all I have. Start of our very busy Sunday, getting ready for church, picking up the kids. And then usually, I don't know if I mentioned that, usually after church we take the kids out to eat, grandkids out to eat, and they come over to our house and they play for a couple hours. And then we send them back home. So very busy and stressful but fun. And you know how it is if you have grandkids. So anyway, that is all I have. If you like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now. Alright, funny, now I started to do the tutorial and I forgot to hit record. So anyway, we are going to show how I made, we'll call it our bushy dishcloth, and we're going to use the Dishy multi breast weight yarn, and I'm going to use it's a G, but I think this is a G plus, so we're going to use that. So yeah, it was funny. I started to record it and it wasn't recording. Okay, I'll probably leave that up. Okay, so anyway, we're going to make a chain. We're going to make a chain of 32. First thing, one of the things I noticed that this seems really nice. It doesn't fray as much. 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, that is, we are 32. Okay, so from the third chain from the hook, we are going to do two single crochets, then we're going to skip one chain and then do 2 single crochets in the next, skip one, and we're going to skip, I don't know if you can see, we're in the purple part, it's dark, skip one chain and then 2 chain in the next, skip one chain, 2 single crochets in the next, skip 1, 2 in the next, and we're just going to keep doing this till there should be 1 chain left on the end. Okay, so we are down. We have 1 chain at the end that's left. Just do 1 single crochet in this last chain. Alright, and this is a 1 row repeat, so after this row, that's it. You just repeat this 1 row we're about ready to do. So we're going to chain 1, skip the first single crochet, and 2 single crochets into the next stitch. Again, skip 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets in the next. Skip 1 single crochet and 2 in the next. And then you just repeat that until we get to the end. This colors. Yeah, I like these colors on these too. I like the colors. Bright, vibrant. It feels like it's a good quality cotton yarn too. It's not fraying or anything. Getting to the end here. Alright, you notice that we have one single crochet left. Do one single crochet in that. Chain 1 and 2. There you go, you just repeat that one row. I did about 12 rows on my other dishcloths. If you need to do, you want to make this till it looks like a square, so if you need to do less, you do less, or if you need to do more, you do more. So anyway, I am taking this part of the video at the end of the Scrubby Sunday series, but I plan on doing a full video tutorial on how I make this dishcloth, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. So, alright, till my next video. Bye!